So that is our list or our HTML navigation bar set up. It doesn't look very pretty at the minute, so we're going to add some CSS to it. So we're going to open up our CSS file, and we're going to add in these two tags. So this part removes the bullet points and padding from the whole list and sets the margin to 10%. And then this tells each item to line up next to the previous item to make it a horizontal bar, not a vertical one. Okay, so let's see how that works then. This is how it looks. I'll go back to brackets, open up style.css. This time we're going to start a new one, and it's going to be called li. We're going to have li, open brackets, list style type. It's even there first. We just type in list style type, and we're going to type in none, not none. Okay. We'll have to put a semicolon after that. Next thing then, margin left, M-A-R-G, there it is, margin left, press enter, and we're going to set it to 10%, semicolon, 10%, semicolon, padding then, again, colon, 0, semicolon. Okay, so that's it, padding 0, go. The padding is to do with where each word is, basically. So it's like when words beside another, you can adjust how much distance there is between them. So that's what's meant by the padding. I just changed that. It should have been UL, not LI, because the next part is the LI part. Okay, so LI, open brackets, return, and we're going to just add in one thing there, float, and it should be left. Okay, so that should work. We'll save that, Command S, go back to my document, refresh it, ta-da. Okay, so it's a little bit better looking now. So we need to do some more things to it first of all, but now we have it lined up along the top. So what I can do now is I can actually change this padding, make it a bit bigger, maybe 5%, and 10%. Save that. See how does that look? Okay, now we don't want to do that, so we'll just put that back to 0. And on my index file, there should be a break here, so we can make a new space, BR. Save that, and let's see what that looks like. Okay, so now we have the links along the top, but there's no spaces between them, so we'll look at that next. Okay.